How to use Equalizer APO on Discord. Download and install Equalizer APO on your computer and restart the system after installation finishes. Open the configurator tool and select the headphone or speaker device you use for Discord audio. If you want to adjust microphone sound, then also select your microphone device in the configurator. Restart the computer again so Equalizer APO activates on the selected devices. Open the Equalizer APO configuration editor from the Start menu. Add equalizer filters and adjust frequency levels to improve voice clarity and reduce noise. Save the configuration so the settings remain active. Open Discord and go to User Settings, then Voice and Video. Select the same input and output devices in Discord that you chose in Equalizer APO. Test your voice in Discord to confirm the equalizer changes are working properly. Thank you for watching.